Pepe may register a 1.2% uptick by May 8, CoinLore suggests. To begin, here's a snapshot of the market movement. Right now, Pepe is trading near $415 after a 1.9% daily drop. Let's move on to analysts' forecasts. By May 8, CoinCodex says we might be looking at $414. That's a decrease of 0.1%. Crypto Predictions believes Pepe may approach $419. That's an increase of about 1%. Traders Union points out it could move up to $42, about 1.1% more than now. A different projection by CoinLore notes Pepe could edge up to $42, about 1.2% more than current levels. To finish, digital coin price points to $421 by May 8, which is a 1.5% increase. This is the most rewarding forecast we found. That's all 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's move forward. Let's explore what each forecast could mean in numbers. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a decline of 0.1% and a rise of 1.5%, depending on the analyst. It appears digital coin price ends up with the highest projected return, with 1.5% increase in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could walk away with between $1 and $15 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, CoinCodex's forecast stands as the most probable, with a 92.1% likelihood. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a common scenario. According to the consensus, Pepe is expected to move towards $419. Let's break it down. The consensus expectation is for an increase of 0.9%. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 0.9%. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $9 in gain. The consensus scenario carries a likelihood of approximately 88.6% of coming true. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. CoinCodex sees Pepe losing ground. Crypto Predictions points to the price breaking higher in the short term. A stronger push upward is similarly expected by Traders Union. Also, CoinLore highlights the likelihood of a climb in price. An advancing course is also described by digital coin price. The consensus outlook signals downward momentum, with Pepe leaning lower through this horizon. Taken as a whole, most analysts present a positive outlook, keeping Pepe tilted toward growth. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. At the end of the day, the market recorded $416. The final price showed that only a small number of forecasts were accurate. Closest match to the market came from Traders Union. Now comes the breakdown. Yesterday's close confirmed 2 forecasts inside the candle. As far as ROI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but Traders Union stood out with 2.2%. On screen is the performance summary. The combined outcomes for every forecast. For today's numbers, CoinLore had 87.9% forecast probability and 1.1% in profitability. Accuracy came in at. See who managed to anticipate the move best. Let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare among a few selected cryptocurrencies. The highest potential return goes to Near with 4.4%, while Pepe stays below the leader. Here you can see Pepe compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. You can find more forecasts and updates on my website. If you found this look at multiple analysts insightful, hit like and subscribe for the next review. Talk soon.